guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about the skincare products that have been helping me fight that dry skin that I've had on my face and the rest of my body. So if you guys want to hear about all those products, then stay tuned. Okay, so how I'm going to be doing this is my in-shower products and my out-of-shower products because I have a mixture of both. So first we're going to start with the first product that I use in the shower. And that is this Habanera Marinella Hawaiian Black Lava Body Caviar with Charcoal. I probably said the name wrong, and please don't mind my bottle, container, jar thing. It is very well loved. I got this in a FabFitFun box a while ago, and I have been loving it. So fun fact, before I start talking about the product more, I've always wanted to try a body scrub, Frank Bod and specifically, and I can't because I'm allergic to peanuts and nuts, and a lot of body scrubs have peanuts and nuts in them, which I think is really stupid, and it stinks because I hear that they're really great for eczema, and I have eczema and really dry skin, and I can't use them. And then there's this one that's it's expensive, but it is so worth it. It is so good. I used this in the summer when my skin was very dry from the sun. I've been using it now, and my skin has been feeling so hydrated, feels so much better. So this says not to use it on your face. I've used it on my face, and my face is fine. I never experienced any weird breakouts or anything. I only used it on my face a couple of times too. It wasn't every day. So you're supposed to use it on your neck down. So that's what I've been doing ever since I saw not to use it on your face. And honestly, it's a miracle worker. My skin, especially on my legs, were flaky. It's disgusting, but just so flaky and dry. This just helped get rid of that flakiness, and it's so good. I use it in the shower every other day because I don't exfoliate my face or my body every day. That's too much for my skin. Every other day, and it's so good. This is what it looks like on the inside. I don't know if you'll be able to see. It's very well loved. I've used a lot of the product up, and I'm gonna be really sad when I get rid of it because I don't know if I'm gonna repurchase it because it's so expensive. I do have a Victoria's Secret body scrub that I got for Christmas that I'm gonna try, and if I do like it, I'll let you guys know. And I will probably get the full size because the full size of that is really cheap. It's I think it's under $10, and this is, I think, was $40 or something ridiculous. Next in-shower product is the Nivea In-Shower Body Lotion 24-Hour Moisture with Aloe Vera, and this is good for normal to dry skin. So this product I use after I exfoliate. So basically, I'll get in the shower, and let's say it's a day where I'm washing my hair. So I wash my hair, and then I wash my body, then I exfoliate, rinse off really good, shave. You want to shave before you use this. You will regret shaving after. Trust me. Shave, turn the water off, apply this, and then turn the water back on. So you just apply this all over your body. I do pretty much neck down. Try to get my back as good as I possibly can because I have some weird dry spots there, but it's really hard to reach, especially in the shower. It's complicated. And then I turn the water back on just to rinse this off because it says that you should do that, and you should avoid your feet because you could slip. Thank God I've never done that because that's something I would do. But this lives up to the claims. It says it instantly moisturizes, and it really does. My skin feels so good after I use this. I think this is my second bottle because I got a sample of it in a Walmart beauty box a while ago, and I love it. It is so good. It's not sticky. It feels so nice. Your skin just feels so baby soft. It's amazing. I highly recommend this. Now for the out of shower products. So I'm going to go in a weird order here. First is this Physicians Formula Organic Wear Bright Booster Oil Elixir. This is another kind of pricey product. This I got at CVS, and it was I think $14 or $15, but I was desperate for anything that might make my skin look good because it's been so dry. So this is just an oil. It comes in this packaging, and the dropper oil. Exciting. Smells nice. It's another product that reminds me of this summer scent. But this I use two ways. So one way I use this is I will put it on my face before I start my makeup. It doesn't break up my makeup. I think it makes my makeup look better actually, and it just adds a nice boost of brightness to your skin, and I really like that. It also just helps hydrate. I also will use this on its own, like on a weekend or something, as I'm just lounging around the house, and that also helps as well. I also use this on my cuticles, and it helped there too. So this is like a great 3-in-1 product. I highly recommend it. It is pricey, but if you go probably like Ulta or Walmart, it's probably cheaper there, because especially at Ulta, if you have points and a coupon, go there. Next up is another like dual product for me, and it is a Fizz and Bubble lip scrub in the scent Mint Mojito. So this, like I said, I use a dual product. I use it on my lips, obviously, because my lips have been very dry and gross. So I pretty much use it every single night before I go to bed. And I use it as a face scrub. So my friend Nikki here on YouTube was talking about in one of her videos how she uses lip scrubs as exfoliators. And I was like, what? That is the weirdest thing. And I asked her, I was like, is it sticky? Like, is it gross on your skin? She's like, no, like it feels so good, whatever. So I tried it, and oh my god, she was so right. So this I use as kind of like a deep exfoliation, because it is a little more rough and like sandy on my face, and I really just focus it on my cheeks and my nose, because that's just where I'm really dry. And this just works wonders. It cleans my pores amazing. My face feels really soft. I used it the other day and my skin feels amazing. I don't know. This is just like a little miracle worker. I totally thought that it was going to be sticky, and it's not. Especially when you add water, obviously it's not going to be sticky. And the scent, because this scent is pretty strong. But I love the scent. It smells so good. It doesn't break my skin out, is what I was trying to get out. This is what it looks like. It literally just looks like sugar, but it works amazing. Like, it works wonders as an exfoliator, and I just would have never thought to do that ever in a million years. Next up, I have 3 masks. The first being this Ahava Hydration Cream Mask. This is another product I got from FabFitFun, and I am so happy I got this from FabFitFun. I mentioned it in a favorites video, and I absolutely love it. It is so good. I use this pretty much as like a night mask, so I'll put it on after I shower and then just walk away. This is all I put on at night. Sometimes I'll put on a moisturizer, but not really. And if I am using a moisturizer, it's just like a tiny little pea size, and that's it. But this just hydrates the skin, and your skin feels amazing. It is pricey as well, but it is worth every single penny. I highly recommend this because it's helped so much during this cold winter season. This is definitely a repurchase product. I'm going to repurchase it every single season because it is that good. It's like 30 something dollars, but again, I think it's at Ulta, so if you got your coupon and you got some points, then it's worth it. This next mask I've mentioned a couple times on my channel as well, and this is the So AE Purifying Brightening Peeling Gel. If you're returning to my channel, you probably have heard me talk about this so many times and describing it, so if you get grossed out, like, you can like jump a little bit through this part. But if you're new to my channel, this is the coolest mask ever. So it's an exfoliating mask. Again, I try to use this probably like once a week, every other week kind of thing. Depends on how my skin's feeling. Basically, you put this on your damp face, and as you rub it, it starts pilling up, and that is just all of your dead, dry skin falling off your face, and it feels amazing. I use it on my hands as well. It is such a good mask. This is at Walmart. I love it. Next up, I finally got a toner. So the toner that I got that I've been really liking is this Dickinson's Enhanced Witch Hazel Hydrating Toner with Rose Water. This has really helped, I think, especially with around the nose area. Today my nose isn't looking too good, but it's been helping. I feel like it's also been helping with just pimples on my face too. I know I have pimples on my face right now, but that's because I had chilies a week apart. I don't want to talk about it, but this is just so good. It's so good. I really like it. This is expensive as well, but you do get a lot of product in here. This helps moisturize, remove impurities, refine your pores, nourish and refresh, and it's dermatologist recommended. I use this twice a day on a cotton round, morning and night, obviously, and it is amazing. I really have seen a change in my skin. It's definitely worth it to get a toner. Who would have known? And I picked this up at CVS. Another facial product that I've been loving is this Garnier Skin Active Hydrating Facial Mist made with aloe juice. This was a lifesaver when it was like 3 degrees here for a week straight, and my skin was so tight to the point where I wasn't able to, I was literally losing sleep. It was so cold because my skin was so tight. And I would add this after I toned. So I would cleanse my face with my cleanser, tone, and then once I like fan my toner in, like I go like this, I would spray my face with this and then add my moisturizer. This really helped just like lock in that moisture. I really enjoy this. I mentioned this before. I got this from PINCHme. It's so good, and a little goes a long way. I've had this for a long time, and I've pretty much almost been using it like every single day, twice a day, and I've barely used any, I feel like. So this I will definitely repurchase if I ever finish it, because I don't think I'll be finishing it anytime soon. My last face product is this Garnier Skin Acting Soothing 3-in-1 Moisturizer Day and Night Mask. So I talked about this in an empties video, but I don't know when that empties video is going to be up, because I got a sample of it and I really liked it. So I went out to Walmart and I picked it up, full size. This is 6.75 fluid ounces or 200 milliliters, and you get so much product in here, and it was like $8 to $10, but it is so worth it. A little goes a long way with this, so I'm going to have it for a long time. Basically, this moisturizer has 3-in-1 benefits. For the during the day, it soothes and hydrates the skin. At night, it nourishes and nurtures the skin. And then as a mask, you can just leave it on for 10 minutes and rinse it off, and it will help nourish and reduce skin tightness. I only just use it day and night. I don't use it as a mask, because if I really wanted to do the mask, I can do this Ahava one. But this just as a moisturizer has really been helping. It doesn't make my makeup look bad when I have it underneath. I have it on right now and I don't think my makeup looks bad. And I really like it. It's so good. And like I said, you get a lot of product in here. My skin has been feeling so moisturized and just really soft and just good. And I really like it. Garnier has really good skincare. I highly recommend you guys check it out, because I never knew their skincare was so good. The next product that I have here is this First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. Last winter, I got myself the Ultra Repair Cream for Christmas. Then I got this sample in my QVC Advent Calendar. And I also recently picked up a whole like kit from First Aid Beauty from QVC. But I love this cream. It helps with my eczema. I have eczema, like I said, on my legs, under my butt, on my arms, on my hands. Like, I have it anywhere where I feel really dry and itchy. This, I just add it. I use this as a hand cream after I wash my hands. Like, whenever my hands were washed and wet, this goes on my hands. It is amazing. It's definitely worth the price. It is, again, a pretty pricey cream, but it works, so it's worth the money. And the last product I have is from Victoria's Secret Pink line. It is the Cocoa Lotion Coconut Oil Hydrating Body Lotion. So I know some people don't really like coconut oil. It's very hit or miss for some people. I personally really like it. So this, I've also been adding to any dry spots on my body, and it helps. I totally thought that this was going to irritate my skin, but it doesn't. I really do like it. This is definitely something else I would totally repurchase. Maybe. The one thing that would stop me is this packaging, like the Go-Go Squeeze. I hate it, but it is so good. I want to add some to my hands now. This also has been helping my eczema. If I'm too lazy to come up here and grab my First Aid Beauty, this is what I was using before I made the order too. So this has also been helping. I'm trying to use it up, so it's just really good. I just don't like the packaging. This like Go-Go Squeeze thing, it's stupid, but it's a good cream and it smells really nice. I just put some on my hands and I love the scent. And those are the products that I have been loving to help my dry skin for this winter. Let me know in the comments down below what some of your favorite products are for the winter season that help you with your dry skin. I would love to know, because I like to try new products out and see like what really works and what doesn't. These for me right now are what have been working the absolute best. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. If you have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below, or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. I forgot to say that. I'm like so close to 900 subscribers on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.